We are back at Internet and Mobile World 2018, day 2. I am Adrian Dumitrache, journalist at Profit.ro, and my guest for today in this panel, the network of the future, is Sameh Yamany, CTO, VIAVI Solutions. Well, my first question is, how is VIAVI solution? Please tell us about your presence in Romanian market.
Thank you for having me on the panel. Let me give you a little bit of introduction about our company, VIAVI Solutions. We are one of the oldest and most known company in test and measurements for the telecom and enterprise world. So service providers and enterprise use our solutions to help them monitor the network, understand the network performance, and understand how it impacts the customer experience and the performance of the service on the customer and how they are satisfied or not satisfied with it. We've been in this business for a long time, and we are happy now to have also a presence in Romania, both on the telecom and enterprise side, selling our solutions and deploying our solution. But also we have a center of excellence where we have development center in Romania for the bright mind and the new development minds of Romanians to be part of our company.
The next question, can you describe the VIAVI solution for the Romanian telecom market?
Right. So, VIAVI has a lot of different solutions for both the wireless, wireline, and enterprise. So we help wireless providers to help them understand how they can deploy the new wireless networks like the 3G and 4G from every aspect of it, from installing new towers to monitoring the network, to understanding customer experience, to actually also measuring the performance of the network. When there is a troubleshooting, the field technicians go out there using VIAVI solutions and VIAVI products to test the network and fix it. We also help wireline companies at home, providing services at home. A lot of the field technicians that come at home to fix your network, they use VIAVI solutions. We also help the enterprise when they have new network and they are selling or providing network for their client or internal to actually make sure that the network is running at the highest performance. So they use our tools as well. In Romania, we have customers on both the wireless, the wireline, and the enterprise using our tools. And with the new advances of 4.5G being installed in Romania, we're helping Romanian operators understand the performance of the network and how to optimize it and get the best out of it using our tools. We also have enterprise customers who are using our tools to make sure that the network is up and running all the time. There is no connectivity issues. So that's how we're helping the Romanian market.
Can you tell us about the main clients you have in Romania?
Right, so we sell to almost the tier 1 carriers across the entire world. So, Orange, Vodafone, T-Mobile, they are all our customers at a group level, right? And they deploy our solution in different operation, environments like in Romania and other European countries as
well. Which other markets are you present, and also which is your main market?
Right. So VIAVI is a global company. We serve all the telecom of the world. And in fact, on the top tier 1 carriers of the world, it's rare to find a carrier that doesn't have at least one of our products, right? So 50% of our markets is in North America, right? So we sell to all North America carriers from the cable side, the wireline, and the wireless provider as well. Europe is our second biggest customer and area, and as well as Asia Pac and Latin America.
In Europe, Romanian, how big is it?
Romania is definitely one of our markets. It's a smaller market we have, but we serve the bigger group markets in
Can you describe main challenges on the Romanian market and also from a global perspectives?
So definitely there is, we can see the evolution of the network in general. There is a big push recently for virtualization of the network, right? As well as also expanding the bandwidths. Our statistics are showing that gigabit internet is becoming now a necessity of life. Really, you can argue that social networking and a lot of this new technology that is, going into not only the user from the phone and making voice call or browsing the internet or gaming, but also machine connectivity, connected cars, Internet of Things is expanding. Now this is putting a lot of pressure on the carriers to expand the network, right? While they may not see the immediate benefit for putting this investment, we're helping them optimizing the network. So one of the problem we see with a smaller market, for example, like Romania, is that how you get the best out of what you already deployed. And we're helping in these areas. And we see the same thing in the global market. There is a lot of the carriers are trying to get the maximum benefit of the new infrastructure they are putting. And of course, the competition coming from over the top, the Yahoos and the Googles, which are new kind of carriers, right, is also putting a lot of challenge and competition internally. So how you optimize the network that you have is one of the challenges that we're helping solve with these carriers as well.
Romanian market is a difficult market or friendly with providers?
Actually, we are very happy with Romania market, and that's why we chose Romania actually to be one of the centers of excellence for development of our products, for many reasons. Romania is expanding, and we're seeing a big trend, and actually 4.5G is being deployed in Romania, and it's a growing economy that is actually good market to be in. We're also, because the network of the future is kind of more artificial intelligence network, right? Machine learning. So we're looking for bright minds that have mathematical background. And Romania is one of these center of excellence we are seeing in European economy right now that is actually very ripe for bringing new talent and increasing the talent pool of the company actually.
Describe the benefits your solution from in the perspective of clients.
Right. So, I can describe it in three different terms. One is, when you have a problem, you need to fix the problem quickly. So we help them automatically detect where the problem is and fix it quickly. But the next step is, you want to predict that there is a problem that's going to happen,
okay,
right? So we help in the predictive part, right? That's the second thing. The third thing, and this is the new evolution, is preventing the problem from happening in the first place, which is self-optimization, self-healing. So this is what VIAVI is promising. One is, we will help you detect the problem, fix it quickly, and help your team and your field and your technicians and your operators have the data at their fingerprints so that they can fix and make decision quickly. That's number one. Number two is automated the network so that you don't have to wait for the problem to happen. We can predict the problem before happening. And number three is empowering the network to be self-healing and self-organizing. That's what the benefits of our solution.
Future plans and the new solution from VIAVI solution.
So the market,
Romanian market,
and of course. So the market is a buzz right now about 5G, right? And we are at the forefront of 5G. In fact, VIAVI, because of the way we have a global reach in not only in the telecom provider, but also for the network equipment manufacturers, we have been working on 5G now for almost 4 or 5 years, right? Because 5G, even if it's on the drawing board, we help test it, right, in the labs, right? So we are seeing 5G as a new evolution. In fact, in the North American market, the race is already on. Carriers are already deploying 5G this year for fixed wireless and also mobility next year. So 5G is coming, and I think Romania, as part of the big global European economy, is going to see 5G coming in the next couple of years. But the 5G is not just the new technology for phones and for the consumer. It's also new technology for machines, for machine-to-machine communication, for Internet of Things, for connected cars, for smart cities, for smart grids. So we are very excited because this is where we are seeing the evolution of the network going, and this is definitely evolution of our company as well.
My question, thank you for your presence here, and good luck in your project in the Romania market and the other market. And see you next year at Internet Mobile World.
Thank you very much. And again, VIAVI is happy to be here in Romania, and we're looking for the bright minds to join us in our company. Thank you.